As I sit in the forest, I can feel a presence around me. It's radiating from the trees, from the ground, even from the logs and stumps that are dead, that have fallen and are decaying. There's still a presence that is radiating forth from them. It's the ignoring of this presence that is causing the suffering in the world. It's the discarding of this natural state of things that is causing so much unrest. When this state is included, when it is included in things, it is bringing in a peace, a love, and a bliss, and an experience to help buffer some of the pain and suffering you're going through. This presence is unconditional, and it's more easily seen in places where the mind is not so empowered. So this is why nature can be one of the greatest gurus of all. You can ask a tree a question, you can argue with it, you can fight with it, but it will still hold its same state. It won't engage in the trivialities of life. It won't start to negotiate and beg you to love it in some way. It just is. A rock also exudes this presence. If you can see this presence in a rock, you will be able to see it in yourself. Because that presence is also you. There's no difference between you and the rock at the very core. Now, there are some religions and things that may dispute this, but the truth is, the infinite is everywhere. That's why it's called the infinite. It is not only in one place and then not in another. It is in you. It's just that you have been taught to discard it and to ignore it. Your five senses have overtaken you and have commandeered the ship. You have focused all into the information that your mind is giving you, but you've discarded the very core of what made the mind in the first place. You've discarded the very experience that was the original experience of all experiences. So if you don't have access to a guru in physical form, perhaps a guru in nature is a very powerful practice for you. Connecting to a tree, to a rock, to a mountain, to the sky, or to the earth could be a very powerful practice, because there is no game that you can come up with that will empower your mind. A rock will not give in to your demands. It will not fix your financial situation. A rock will not heal your wounds. But a rock will, no matter how much you cry, no matter what you ask for. The rock will continue to exude this presence. And when you align with this presence, magical things can happen. Sometimes miracles. When you allow the flow of life and the flow of existence to move, that is when the most miraculous things happen. Things that are beyond what you can come up with, beyond what your mind understands. This is connecting to the unconditionality. So if you're suffering, or even if you're not, even if you're happy, but you wish to take this happiness further, this is a powerful practice for you to find this unconditional happiness in all things. So thanks for listening, and I hope this helps you on your path.